If you are a realtor on social media, you're going to want to make sure you avoid these common mistakes that I see every day that real estate agents make when posting on social media. Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Jeff Luna, and I teach real estate agents how to scale and grow their businesses through social media and using online marketing. Let's get right into it. So there's no question that the market's changing in many markets around the US, and coming with that, a lot of agents are starting to scale back, on their budgets. You're seeing different, ad companies call you all the time and, want to take your money and, charge you these crazy fees, for, lead generation. So social media is obviously one of the biggest topics right now. And, I'm going to go over some mistakes that are real common, with a lot of real estate agents. And, the first one that I want to go over is, over branding like yourself, right? So when you're posting on social media, people know that you're in real estate by your profile. Your profile should say real estate agent, whatever, right? So they know. So over promoting your business, is constant pounding, right? So the way that we look at social media on our team is kind of like a lifestyle, right? You want to connect with like-minded people, because at the end of the day in real estate, we're not selling the actual houses because they're going to sell themselves. We're selling our services ourselves, right? Our personality. And we want to work with people that we connect with, right? And the only way to find those people is to post consistent content reflecting your personality, what you do. Because at the end of the day, people want to work with people that they connect with, So that should really be your main focus, is showing off your lifestyle, and over promoting, photos of houses and, just a bunch of photos or, a recipe for that stuff doesn't work, especially in this age right now. You have to be making video content, and I would stay away from, as many photos as possible. Maybe if you're, on vacation or something, that's cool. You want to take a quick photo, that's okay. But over promoting the whole real estate, taking photos of houses and posting no videos, no. That's a guaranteed way not to grow, So that's the first tip I have for you guys. Don't over promote real estate. At the end of the day, real estate's it's not the most exciting thing for many people, but you definitely want to mix in your lifestyle and what you do. Second tip I have for you guys is ignoring the engagement that you get. Now, this is tough for a lot of people because at the end of the day, everyone's busy and, you can't reply to a comment, right when it happens. But make it a point, to set aside some time, and check your profile and, reply to comments, like other posts. Engagement's key, because that's going to show people that you're, engaged with them. And it's going to ultimately, lead to, more followers and, just more engagement on your videos, right? Because the likelihood of you engaging with someone else's post is gonna, increase the likelihood of them engaging with your post, So you definitely want to make sure that you keep the engagement going. Again, don't spend all day doing this. You probably want to set aside, 20, 30 minutes a day, to go on your profile and check out, the activity going on. I think that's a really good, tip, to don't ignore the people that are messing with you. Now, obviously there's a lot of spam right now, spam comments, people, oh, you want to grow your social media, DM me or whatever. Obviously those are fake, right? So avoid that stuff. But people that are actually just commenting on it, good or bad too, I've liked bad comments before. The key is that they're engaging, right? That's ultimately going to help the video, help boost the post to reach more people, and ultimately, get you out there more. All right, you guys, the third tip I want to go over for you is lack of consistency. Now, we see this across the board in real estate all the time. This is the biggest one, I think, that is hard for most people because, again, everyone has busy life and, things that they're doing, and that's all great. We all do. But at the end of the day, if you want to start generating business from social media, you got to be consistent, just like anything else in life, okay? So being consistent is ultimately going to help you grow, engage, and get more customers. And you have to be consistent at it. It's a volume slash. The content has to be good, right? It can't be just no effort. You have to have that happy medium, right? Now, the type of content that you have to post, that's totally up to you, how you, live your life. And, again, watch other creators, see what they're doing. Again, see their engagement. Obviously, they're getting a lot of attention. They're doing something right, so you want to kind of put your own spin on things, focus on, again, like your lifestyle, what you do on a day-to-day basis, what you do for fun, right? For me, right, I'll give you an example. I play golf a lot, right? So I'll post my swing, I'll post, I'm at the golf course, with my friends, and, I connect with a lot of people that play golf, right? And then we transition talking about real estate, and, I've gotten, a lot of business from the golf course. So that's kind of like my approach, right? But again, not everyone likes that, right? So maybe you might be a runner, you might be an artist, you might be a DJ or whatever. You connect with people that way, so definitely want to showcase your lifestyle and be consistent. Don't set unrealistic goals, right? You want to, a good starter, I would say, for most people that are just starting, is probably focus on posting like 3 times a week, at least 3 times a week. And focus on posting on your story as much as possible. So 3 video posts, I would recommend 3 videos a week, and post on your story, like where you're at. Maybe you're at a showing, maybe you're having lunch, whatever, have a nice meal. Be consistent on that story, because that's ultimately going to help your profile as well. All right, you guys, the next tip I have for you guys is branding. You definitely want to make everything the same, right? Same colors, logos and all that good stuff. Brand yourself, right? So in the content that you'll be making, I highly recommend that you stick to a similar format. Obviously the content's going to be different, but you kind of want to brand yourself a certain way. Most of us are a part of other real estate companies, right? We're under brokerages, so you want to do like the whole brokered by whoever that you're with, your team name, right? But start branding yourself consistently. That's going to really help too, because when you post, if you're posting consistently, like I told you, then and you're using the branding, people are going to start to recognize you, across. So you definitely want to make sure that you're using those consistent colors, logos throughout the posts. That'll really help you brand yourself as well. All right, you guys, my final tip for you guys is targeting, right? So obviously when you're posting on social media, it's free, it's just sweat equity, right? But you want to start exploring different hashtags. Some people don't even use hashtags anymore, but you kind of want to play with it, right? Start using hashtags that, maybe it's a city you live in, maybe it's an area, a neighborhood you're trying to focus on, but start exploring hashtags, on your posts, because that's ultimately, people are following these hashtags, and that's how people are going to find you on social media, especially if you're trying to go the organic route, right? So obviously if you're running ads, you can target a lot better, but then you got to pay for it, right? So I think if you're just getting started, you want to start focusing on consistent quality content. Put yourself out there, build up your audience a little bit, and then you can start exploring more ads. Because even if you do run ads, people are going to start to click on your profile and kind of watch your content, right? Okay, maybe they're interested in the ad, but then they're always going to want to go to your profile. So if you don't have anything there, it's not good for you in your ad spend, right? So you want to have some good content on there, again, showcasing who you are, showcasing your lifestyle, and implementing also, what you do as a real estate agent. I think that's ultimately going to help you grow and, ultimately generate more business for your real estate business. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this video. I have a couple links in the description that I'll go over real quick. So the main thing that we see a lot of agents, what stops them from really doing the whole social media stuff is they don't know, how to post. They don't know how to edit. They don't know a whole lot about anything, right? We have created a free course for you to learn how to make content using just your phone, right? Using the phone, getting mics, tripod, all that good stuff, and showing you, what settings to use, how to post it, how to edit it, and, ultimately get you going on the right track, to start, helping you post consistently, right? All right, you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you would do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell, as it allows me to continue to make videos just like this to help you grow and scale your real estate business. I'll see you guys on the next one.